Today, you will learn how to convert Word to CSV file format in seconds for free. First, open your Word document and make sure your data is separated by commas with each new record on a new line. Now, click File, then Save As, choose a location, and from the Save As Type list, select Plain Text.txt. Click Save. Then, if a warning appears about formatting being removed, simply click OK, because we only need the text. Next, open Microsoft Excel, click Open, and select the .txt file you just saved. If you don't see it, change the file type to Text Files. The Text Import wizard will open. Select Delimited, click Next, check Comma as the delimiter, click Next again, leave the column format as General, and click Finish. Your data will now appear neatly arranged in Excel. Finally, click File, then Save As, choose CSV MS-DOS on Windows or CSV Macintosh if you're using a Mac, and click Save. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.